With the 911 Turbo S Exclusive Series, the first thing that stands out is the color, which is called gold yellow. It's only a specific color for that car. Then the closer you get to the car, the more you look at it and you find out how some of the details are worked out. We had one of the seldom chances to add a little bit more exclusivity to the car by using different production methods, different technologies to make the car more individual. You see the stripes on the outside of the car in carbon fiber. If you get in the car, you see that the stripe also goes through the headliner of the car in the form of a perforation. And through that perforation, you see that yellow-gold color again. So that's really cool. It's just a fantastic inspiration for us as a designer, but also for our future products.
One of the things Porsche does so well is they build race cars for the roads. It's showing off to a lot of the people here that you can have a refined, lovely car with air conditioning, an incredible ride, but 0 to 60s under 3 seconds, top speed of over 200 miles an hour.
Drehen. Hände weg. Und bitte.